event that's firing quite often. It's basically the best comp is it's like if you were in WordPress and an event fired every time a plugin loaded. So we have an event, we care about the individual ID, but we don't need 100 to fire per user. If I wanted to condense that into basically, again, using this comp, plugins loaded, can I create an array of IDs as a
Yes.
property? So we still capture that information.
Yes, you can build an array. It's built actually badly branded product feedback. It's
I
called cart
know.
analysis because it's like everybody thinks it's a feature for
Mm,
e-commerce. No, this
yeah.
basically means you can do arrays and you can pull in whatever you want. Instead of your event would be like your event name would be plugins loaded. Here you would do something called plugins. Here you would do plugin ID. Here you would do plugin name. And here you would do plugin category SEO speed. And then you could repeat that for every plugin. And so you have an array of all your plugins that exist. And so if you build that out, that would just be a normal track call. The only thing you need to do to properly do this is if you go into Amplitude, essentially what you need to do is if you send in an array, you could do a bunch of cool stuff, by the way, because if you use arrays, then like all of these features in funnels and like you can do item match, etc. Does a plugin load when another one loads, or does a plugin load from this category? Like it's a basket. And then, so if I would redo this, I would do amplitude.track, plugins loaded, boom, send this in. And now if we go into Amplitude, what we need to do next in order to make it usable, let's say, because if I go to charts and I do plugins loaded and I filter by a property, you see this thing. And so you basically can break in all of these things and you can say, okay, I want to filter it by XYZ and I want to make combinations where these things are happening together. All of that is documented in the cart analysis. If you do Amplitude cart analysis, the first page you will find. Everything is instructed there. You can do like super exotic and weird combos. If you don't see the fact that this became a array object, what you need to do is you need to go to events, plugin loaded, you see that it's here, and what you get is like these products.category, but actually in the property section it's plugins, and what you get is like it breaks it out for you. So apparently it does it automatically right now. But if it doesn't work, what you need to do is you need to go to your actual property that you know is an array, and you need to go for the combination type equals array and item type equals any. If I remove it, this whole tab is gone. You don't even see it. You see, array string doesn't work. Array any splitting is available in beta. If it doesn't get done for you, then that's what you need to do in order to get there.